4 is 5. So that's another way you can play the 9. Or you can also play the last beat has only one matra in it. All the other beats stand for two matras, two atoms, two indivisible units. So if I relax the last thumb, I mean if I make that two matras, it becomes a 10. It becomes the same 5 at a slower pace. So it becomes that's the 10. That's the 9. Six and 7. The best way to remember the 6 and 7 is go with the Indian system. I mean, remember the taddik. If it's taddik kittatam or taddik kittatam, or anse takkita 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 value. So you can get the 6 and 7. It could be tough, but I think if you sit every day for 2 hours on this, and then after 2 months you can be master of it.
They will when they come back. Yes.
So the basic there are different kinds of things that you play in or are they all given out? Or?
Yeah. You can. Mine is dirty. It's sauce on it. 50 sauce.
So if you look at I have discussed 3 types of patterns, but it's not really. I mean, you can't say that there are only 3 types of patterns, but traditionally you have 3 types of patterns. One is called the Korvai. Korvai is a polynomial.
Yes.
And then you have a Tirmanam, which is usually like a conclusion. Korvai is just a pattern. It's a kind of thing that 3 is this. I don't know why 3 is so. I mean, 3 is a very good number. So everything is played thrice in Carnatic music usually. Korvai is played thrice. Everything tadi kittatam, tadi kittatam, tadi kittatam, tadi kittatam. 4 times nobody plays it, but you can hear that in art metal.
Why is it that? I mean, why is nobody knows? It's just we like 3. It makes sense for some reason.
Yes.
Yeah.
It makes sense, but
somehow.
But I still like the 4 tadi kittatams in art metal.
Yeah. And at the end of Big Machine, tadi kittam, tadi kittam. Get everybody. Yes.
So the Tirmanam is a very simple entity. So if you look at that, just look at page 3. It says Tirmanam 1, and you see that if you tell me if it makes any sense in the first look at it.
Oh.
And then you can look at the verbose explanation of the same thing. Below the Tirmanam 1 is the verbose explanation. So every line is just 1 beat. So every syllable has been written out. I have tried to keep up this trend, so that if you look at the tadik kittatum, wherever there is a swallowed syllable, as I call it, you will see a dash there. If there is a hyphen, then it's a swallowed syllable. You don't say the syllable, but it exists as a matra. So and then this is the simplest Tirmanam. You have tadingina tam, takkadina tam, takkadina tam, takkadina tam. The basic thing about a Tirmanam is it always ends in the first beat of the next cycle. It's always like that. So you have actually played three takkadina tams but you end on the first beat of the next cycle. The Korvai doesn't always need to end on the first beat of the cycle. Korvai, if a Korvai has a conclusive filler at the end, if it has something like tadikitatum, 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 then it will end exactly at that point. It doesn't penetrate into the, I mean, it does not end on the first beat of the next cycle.
It ends on the end of the cycle.
It ends on the end if it has a conclusive filler. But if it has a tam, then it ends on the first beat. That's the trend. That's usually how it is. And so this Tirmanam is for four beats. So that's the most basic Tirmanam for 4 beats. So then you say, then you if you split it, you can see that it's Takka Dina is the first beat. If you look at the second beat, it's Tam, and then there's a small dash, which means the Tam is itself for 2 matras. And then you have a Takka Dina, Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Tam. I'm just saying Takka instead of the Tam. I could say Takka Dina, Tam, Takka Dina, Tam, Takka Dina, Tam. But I say Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Takka, Takka Dina, Takka. So the Tam itself stands for 2 matras, 2 atoms. So then you ask why should that Tam be for 2 matras? Why not it be for 3 matras? Or why not 1? I mean, let's get down to 1. So it becomes Takka Dina Tam, 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 Takka Dina Tam. So if you count, you are excluding 2 matras out. So instead of it being for 16, it has to, the third Tam is out of the way because it's in the next beat, it's in the next cycle, it's not in the current cycle. So you are excluding 2 matras out. What you're actually doing is making it from 16 to 14. So if it's 14, then it should come for a 3.5 beat cycle. It should be correct for a 3.5 beat cycle. Takka Dina Tam, 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 Takka Dina Tam. So if you convert that Tam to 3 matras, it comes good for a 5 beat cycle. Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina, Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina.
That's correct.
It's not right.
Yes.
Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina.
No, that's
Takka
right.
Dina Tang, Takka Dina Tang, Takka Dina.
No.
It's not right.
When will it? Oh, never mind.
Takka Dina Takita, Takka Dina Takita, Takka Dina.
We could discuss that later. Yes.
No, it should be sorted out.
Yes.
No, it can't be wrong. I mean,
Christian,
let's
mathematics.
see. That makes it 5 akharas. I've written it down, but I don't know why.
That was right the first time you did it.
I think, but
Yeah.
but the math is this. It's Takka Dina. Oh, it can't come for 5. It can come only for 4.5. It's 4.5, right? Because 3.5,
Yes.
you add 2 to it, it becomes 16.
Yes.
It's 4. Add 2 to it, it becomes 18. It becomes 18. It's not 5. It's if you make it tang, I mean takita, make the tam to 3 matras, it's 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4, which is 18. Which is 4.5. So I should say takadina tang, takadina tang, takadina tam. So it's 4.5, it's right. So you make the takita to, these are the very common pitfalls that I mean, the math is right, but you don't really. So if you make the takita to takadimi, then it comes to 5. Takadina tam, takadina tam, takadina tam.
But that's what we discussed a lot, and what I'm deeply fascinated with Carnatic music, especially because compared to Northern Indian music, which can be much more floating. It's the percussive side, you know, not only the tonality, but the percussive side. And again, that I've said a million times, the big picture, how you let rhythm bleed over the pulse, and then finally, da. You know, that's it, da. That's the shit. One, we found our way out. But when you're in the midst of it, it's like, well, what's going on? This has got nothing to do with my pulse, and that it's super duper fascinating to me as a mere humble heavy metal musician. So yes,
So I'll give you a quick. I mean, let me give you a. It's like an adrenaline shot, but it's okay because
we like that. They need it.
this is kind of complex math.
Christian?
This is 4 beats, 4 per beat. The thing is that I'm jumping from 4 to 5,
Yes.
and the point is I'm adding 8 to it. I'm adding 8 matras to it. So 8 into 4 is 32. If I add 8 to it, it becomes 40, and 40 is divisible by 5. So I
That
convert
is-
it to 5 per beat.
This is
And the beauty is you can convert it to 5 per beat and then add an 8 more. So that you played the second time you go to 6 per beat, add an 8 more, 7 per beat.
this is where us Western folks are completely mind the language but fucking lost. When you have parallels and you just in a
So let me play the whole thing so that you get a. Back to 4. That was 6. With the metronome, it's very, very tough. But,
yes.
I mean, doing it on the hand is a lot easier than the metronome. But 7 is still not perfect. I mean, 7 was slightly, you could see that it was offbeat because I'm not still perfect at 7. It's very, very, it's tough to internalize the parallel patterns. Right now, how I do it is checkpoints. So I brought this in to show you checkpoints and the beauty of how 5 can actually become so easy, as easy as 4, because I was doing this ta kitta tak din na kitta tak din na ta kitta tak din na. So ta kitta tak din na. That na is for 4 matras. It ends on this beat. It ends on one beat before the actual. So it's like ta kitta tak din na. So this is 4. So when I have to play 5, I don't know where. If I don't know where I should land, then I have no means. For example, I am not yet. I don't know this piece yet, and I have to start playing in 5 per second. Then 5 per beat. So then I lose track of how do I start practicing. The logical thing is to keep checkpoints and see if you arrive at the checkpoints in time. And the best way to do this is if you want to play at 5 per beat, go to the 2.5 cycle at 4 per beat, because they have the same number of matras. This entity called atom is very useful because it at 2.5, when you have 2.5 beats to play at 4 per beat, you have 2.5 into 4, that is 10 matras, 10 atoms to play. Similarly, when you have to play 4 or 2, say 2 aksharas, 2 beats at 5 per beat, you have 2 into 5, 10. So
Why is this so hard for us to understand in a way? It feels extremely. I'm
So,
deeply fascinated by it.
I mean,
but,
if you say taka takita 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 taka takita, this is at 5 per beat, and it's more like 2 into it's you can say that it's 2 beats long. Let's say it's a 2 beat long cycle. The cycle ends at 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's not make it 8, let's keep it 2. Then you see that if it's too long, you have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. You have 10 in 2 beats. You have 10 in 2 beats. Come back to 2.5 at 4 per beat. Taka dimi taka dimi taka taka dimi taka dimi taka tadi kita tum 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 tadi kita tum. This is 10. It's 10 again, right? It's tadi kita tum tadi kita tum. That was also tadi kita tum tadi kita tum. Speed is different, everything else is different. It's a completely different context, but the mathematics is the same. So what I do is I start reciting that in this tala. For example, ta kitta tak din 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 na kitta katam. So ta kitta tak din. The beauty is that what comes to 2.5 at 4 per beat will come to 2 at 5 per beat. Because 2.5 into 4 is equal to 2 into 5. So what comes to 2 per beat? So the check that's how you figure out the checkpoints and how to practice, because these things you have to know where you land, else you really can't play. So it becomes like ta kitta tak din din din. So when 2.5 beats are over, I should land on ta kitta taka din din din. There are 3 dins there. Ta kitta taka din 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 na. So I should land on the third din. So that becomes my checkpoint. So when I do 5 per, the easiest trick is to say tadi kitta tum and start saying the same thing. Say ta kitta taka din 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 na. Ta kitta taka din. You are actually saying it's internal. 4 per beat is internal to us because we have all been listening to songs that were only 4 per beat. So taka dimi taka junu taka dimi taka junu ta kitta taka din. You don't have to say taka dimi taka junu, but when you start saying taka takita, you automatically get that checkpoints right. Taka takita taka takita taka takita taka takita ta kitta taka din 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 na kitta ton taka din. That ton taka din is the second checkpoint. How do I get it? I get it like that. This is the technique. I don't want you to exactly know the checkpoints, but you can. If you get the technique, that's great. Ta kitta taka din 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 na kitta ton taka din din. So ta kitta taka din din din. Ta kitta taka din din din. Na kitta ton taka din din din. And another beauty about this is if you play the same pattern 5 times, you should have exhausted those cycles. So because you're playing 5 4 times, or if you're playing a piece 5 times, you should have exhausted it. That's just math. A piece comes to say 16 matras, and when you play it 5 times, it comes to 16 into 5, which is 4 into 4 into 5. That's the total number of matras now. When you have to play it in 4 per beat, you divide the number of matras, you divide it by the number of matras you're playing per beat. You divide that by 4, you get the number of beats actually. You can divide it by 5 because it's divisible. So you will get a complete number of aksharas. This is just the math. You'll have to, if you sit down with a pencil and paper and then work it out, it's very simple. And it's there. I've tried to explain that as.
it's such a kick-ass thing to know, even if we just know a fraction of it. Again, the big picture.
It's very, very confusing because the basis Matthias uses is complete measures, which you call beats, which is for us quarter measure. That's a confusing thing.
A quarter
Yeah, but
notes, yeah.
I think I really don't know the Western system, so
So that's a problem. You,
I
you
have
explain
to-
it from the West, from the Indian system, and we try to figure out what you're
yes,
saying.
I
So
understand that.
It's a messy
So
fusion.
I think when you're playing Indian rhythms, you should completely ignore the Western system, and then when you go back to it, you can actually make a relationship.
Yeah.
That's how I think.
Because when you're talking about the two and a half, that's
It makes no sense to
it makes no sense to us because we're thinking into beats, and if it's not a complete beat, we call it a 3/4 beat or a 7/8 beat or something. And not always, but it's hard to calculate
Yes,
what
yes.
you're saying. So it's
Sometimes it's good to get just one of those cheap devices. I don't know what you call it, like the TAL box. I have that.
Yes.
I just put that on whatever
It should be
random.
available on eBay. I mean,
Yeah.
anywhere
I
on
buy
eBay
it.
or-
Doesn't. I can buy you 38 when I'm in India in October, and we'll bring it next year. It doesn't really cost anything. What I do is I turn on. Remember last year the Carnatic metal.
Yeah.
So I just put on a tabla rhythm, and I look at the number, and it's, what is this? 49 and a half. I was like, you know, but it's really good because we are grown up in a certain way, and we have, okay, this is how you play in 7 because I'm white and I listen to this and that and so on, and then someone changed the accent and you're fucked. And that's again the big picture. You should be able to cover pretty much anything. I am certainly only scratching the surface, but I have such use for this, even the little shit I know. It's just amazing. I can keep on going in